Alright. Take two. Oh, I seem to not be... Shoot. No? Okay. Maybe this works? Okay. So right now we're just... this is my second attempt because I didn't have the sound on the first time apparently. Sorry for any explanations because it is 12:45 in the morning and I just want to make sure I got this done because I have some other classwork to do for other classes. But basically I'm just walking you step by step through this last question, and this is just administering security data to our friend Teleford here. We're basically adding him to the owner column and creating a screen for him to look at employees in Station 8, and so that he can only see the employees in Station 8 and nothing else in the database. And then after solving it, we're doing the screen-o-matic, which is what we're doing right here. And we're just going to go walk through and explain. So let me shift you over to my database. So we'll start from the top. Ignore this is from the actual test. So first we had to create the user. So this is our line to create the user. Created him at the localhost. We made his password to keep it simple. And we basically just said grant him access on the nerd network for employees for his domain name. We flushed privileges. I flushed the privileges. I'm not sure if I really needed this line or not, but I figured better safe than sorry. But I don't think I needed it because I put the grant select on, but better safe than sorry. The flush privileges basically just recalls or reloads from the privileges table in mysql, as far as I understand it. Then we altered the table to add him, and then got no warnings. We updated the employee set so that the owner was him, and that he can only see number 8, or the what was it? Station 8 employees. That's what this is. Weird name for the ID, that NNST ID. It's whatever. Took me a little bit to figure out, but we go through with that and we see that 4 rows matched. Then this is what we did to look through his view, so we wouldn't have to log all the way out and log in and do all of that while we were recording. But I assure you that he only has permissions for this one thing. So we basically just shortcutted here for simplicity. We selected from employee where the owner was Telford, and he can only see this from the employee table because this is all he has permission for. He doesn't have permissions for anything else, so he's only going to be able to see the people with Station 8. And then we can confirm this because on my view, hopefully this is screen recording properly, we see this is the total number of employees. Sorry, I can't see the whole thing at once, but that's alright. And we can go through quickly and basically see that we have 36 and he's only seeing 4 of the 36, and we're basically matching up. Nafi 8, 15, Panu, yep, 23, all good, and Maureen, which is number 27. So those are all the ones, and we don't have any other 8s in here, so everyone's accounted for. And yeah, so we've successfully given him permissions for only the things that he needs to be able to see, so he can't just go around in the database and do everything we're doing. Yeah, we've learned a lot in this class. Thanks for watching, and I'll definitely be using this in the future. Class definitely made MySQL a little less intimidating, although there was a big learning curve, but I feel pretty confident now. So thanks. Have a good day.